In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Odoo. We'll walk through the process of inserting a video into your Odoo website using the built-in website editor. This is a simple way to make your pages more engaging, whether you want to showcase a product demo, a tutorial, a brand message, or any other visual content. To get started, go to the home page in Odoo. From there, open the website app. This is where you'll manage and edit the pages that appear on your site. Once you're inside the website area, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode and opens the website builder tools, allowing you to add and arrange content directly on the page. If you're new to Odoo, this editor works with drag and drop blocks, which makes page design much easier and more visual. After entering edit mode, click on blocks. This opens the panel containing the different content sections you can add to your page. You'll see a variety of options for text, images, banners, and other elements. In the inner content section, look for the video block. When you find it, drag and drop it onto the area of the website where you want the video to appear. Try to place it in a spot that makes sense for the visitor, such as below an introduction, beside related content, or in a section where extra visual explanation would be helpful. Positioning matters because a well-placed video can improve both attention and readability. Once the video block has been added to the page, click on the field that says to type in the video URL. This is where you'll paste the link to the video you want to display. Make sure you use the correct video link format so Odoo can recognize and embed it properly. If the video doesn't appear right away, double check that the URL is complete and valid. After entering the video URL, click Add. Odoo will then insert the video into the page using the link you provided. At this point, you should be able to see the embedded video directly on your website layout. That's all it takes to add a video in Odoo. Once your video is in place, you can continue adjusting the page around it to make sure everything looks clean and balanced. This is a quick but effective way to make your website more dynamic and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.